Just a little video of my little setup here. Still got more work that I want to do on it. I got this idea from John Hansconnect. He has a YouTube channel. He also sells the motor and sprocket set for this. I took his suggestion. He had a Burro sawhorse that he mounted his on. They're about $25, but I had all this material laying around in the workshop, so I decided to just build it. And I put a wider top on it, and also a table so you could sew something larger on a flat area. The motor works out really well. Has a lot of power, and you can set it for whatever starting speed and top speed on it. I think I have mine at 100 start and 200 or 300 top speed. I have the foot control here. I mounted, this comes with the motor. I mounted this right here so I can use my foot to activate it. Turned out really well. I still have to, this here, locks the barrel from turning, but it needs a little work on it yet, but it'll work okay, I think. I have my thread in a can right back here, and it seems to work pretty good. Haven't had any trouble with it. I'm using 69 thread Tex 70 and a 110/18 needle. Seems to work pretty good. Here's some of the stitching on it. Looks pretty decent. I haven't made anything yet, but I'm about ready to. That's about all I've got.